In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn widgets to app on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, you can convert from app to widget and then convert back from widget to application. This is my Facebook application and it is being converted to widget. So you can easily convert back from the widget function to the app function it is. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to turn widget into app on iPhone on iOS 18 is press and hold the widget like this. You see its menu comes up, remove widget, edit home screen, and here you can turn the widget to any other widget available here. Just press and hold it and click on any of these tags. Then if you select this is going to bring up a bigger widget. Then if you press and hold again, click on this is going to give you a rectangular widget. Then if you press and hold and click on this is going to give you a square-like widget. But to convert this widget back to app on your iPhone on iOS 18, just click on this grid icon. Then there you go. Then you should see the widget converted back to application on your iPhone on iOS 18. So this is how you can easily turn widgets to app on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.